If you see the video quality is not good. We will change the quality to improve the video quality. First select 144 pixel, and if you see the video it is not that much good. Change the quality to 360 pixel, and if you see the video quality is okay, change the quality to 720 pixel, and if you see the video quality it is good. Change it to 1080 pixel, and if you see the video quality is very good. You can read the text easily because it is more clarity. If the pixel is more or resolution is more, then video quality will be very good.